Welcome to Creative Zone, world of boundless imagination.
In today's tutorial, we'll be covering a fast and efficient method for removing dark circles using Photoshop. Select the background layer, press Ctrl or Command J to create a duplicate. Go to Image, Adjustments, Desaturate, or simply use the shortcut. And convert the layer to Smart Object. Now go to Filter, Other, High Pass. We are going to create the skin texture. Keep on increasing the radius to the point where the eye bags don't show up. Hit OK and select the background layer. Simply create a layer between these two layers. Hold the Alt key or the Option key and click between the layers to create a clipping mask. And change the high pass layer blend mode to overlay. Now press B key to take brush tool. Right-click and select the soft brush. Decrease the flow to about 5%. Hold the Alt key and click to take a sample of the good skin areas and beautifully repaint the entire eye bag or the dark circle area. It looks absolutely natural and the incredible textures are still intact. So tell me what you think about today's tutorial in comment section, like the video and subscribe to Creative Zone. See you guys, keep creative.